Hey guys, good morning. We're talking today about the EPP Mini Mustang. This is a kit I designed a couple years ago. Since we're all actually kind of locked up at home because of the COVID-19 thing, I thought I would revisit this plane and do some modifications to it. First thing I did here is I added a Twisted Hobbies 2206 1450 kV motor. This should get the plane a lot more punch. I'm going to go with a Gen Fan 9047 prop. I moved the battery a little bit farther forward, and with this plane I'm using a 2-cell 360 milliamp 7.4 volt battery. To save some weight, I went to a little micro receiver, an old one from Hobby King. The aileron and the rudder still just use the regular Tower Pro SG50s. I am using a metal 9-gram servo for the ailerons. I just like that, I think, because it centers better and things like that. I think the add-up weight on this plane, with even the battery, is only about 8 ounces, maybe 7 or 8 ounces, so it's very, very light. So let's do this. I'm going to charge up a bunch of my batteries, and we're going to head out to the field this morning, do some flying. Hey guys, so good morning. So we're now out here at the field, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a battery on the EPP little P51, and we're going to see what it'll do. Oh yeah, now I remember why I love this plane. Just floater, great roll rate. Great little snap. Whee! This is just a good little plane to huck around. Flies nice and slow, as you guys can see here. Good rudder authority here. So if you want to fly in a small space. Not endless vertical, but it's fine for what it is. Just a cool little plane to fly around in a small space. Whoa! This thing will actually hover for days, guys. And look how solid it is in a hover.